hamburger steak with the best gravy. Hungry? You're in luck. Today's recipe is a total treat. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. For the hamburger steaks, 1 pound, 450 ground beef, 80-20 preferred for juiciness, 1/3 cup breadcrumbs, egg, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon mustard, Dijon or yellow, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper. For the gravy, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion sliced, 1 cup mushrooms, sliced, optional but highly recommended, 2 tablespoons flour, 2 cups, beef broth, low sodium, 1 tablespoon, Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, adds umami, salt and pepper, to taste, fresh thyme or parsley for garnish, optional. Here we go, let's get started. From start to finish will take about 45 minutes. 1. Make the hamburger steaks. In a large bowl, combine ground beef, breadcrumbs, egg, chopped onion, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, salt, and pepper. Mix gently with your hands or a fork until just combined. Form into 4 oval patties, about 3/4 inch thick. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Add a small amount of oil if using a stainless steel pan. Sear the patties for 3 to 4 minutes per side until browned. Remove and set aside. 2. Make the gravy. In the same skillet, reduce heat to medium. Add butter and olive oil. Add sliced onions and cook until soft and golden, about 5 to 6 minutes. Stir in mushrooms and cook an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Sprinkle in the flour, stirring constantly, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly pour in the beef broth, whisking to prevent lumps. Stir in Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. Simmer until the gravy thickens slightly, about 3 to 5 minutes. 3. Combine and simmer. Return the hamburger steaks to the pan, nestling them into the gravy. Cover and simmer on low for 10 to 15 minutes, or until fully cooked, internal temperature of 160 to 4, F 71 to 4. C. Taste the gravy and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. Creamy mashed potatoes, steamed green beans or peas, buttery egg noodles or rice. Little tricks that make a big difference. Don't overmix the beef mixture, it can make the patties tough. Use 80-20 ground beef for a juicy texture and rich flavor. If you prefer a thicker gravy, let it simmer uncovered for a few more minutes before returning the patties. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal